Riebeek-Kasteel is a town situated in the Swartland district of the Western Cape, with sprawling vineyards, monumental buildings and rolling mountains stretching as far as the eye can see. A majestic view seldom encountered in a little town. Riebeek-Kasteel is what the tourism industry refers to as the jewel of the Swartland, with restaurants and quaint bars to visit. Over the years, many farm buildings were renovated, offering luxury accommodation. This town is also well known as a little retirement village with a population of approximately 1,300 people. Vineyards and olive farms are the primary producers of employment, and many of these employees are farm labourers. But there's a darker side to this town which stems from the dominance of an apartheid regime that led to inequality, with Riebeek-Kasteel as no exception. Years have passed since the first democratic elections in 1994, but life for many has not improved and they still continue to live in poverty. Farming activities are mostly seasonal for a period of 6 to 9 months per year. A household in these poverty-stricken areas would at most have an income stream for this period. In most cases, only one person is employed, and feeding a family of 4 earning approximately 3,600 Rand per month is well below the food poverty line. In 2019, the Swartland municipality made a tract of land available for development. 435 plots in the adjoining village of Esterhof were allocated to individual families to erect their own homes. But with a low income, they were only able to put tin shacks down, and their appalling living conditions continue to exist. The VUYA Foundation, a non-profit organization, proposed an early childhood development center for Riebeek-Kasteel as critically imperative to the development plans of this community and their future. The VUYA Foundation has identified the needs of this New West Valley community, and approximately 80 children between the ages of 2 and 5 years will be entered into this newly developed crèche.
The New West Valley Crèche is something in particular, something new for the area.
Ek is bly op die skool wat hier gebou is vir die gemeenskap, vir die kinders. Ek is opgewonde daaroor, want my hande werk is hier. As my kleinkinders eendag kan, as ek in die wêreld is, ek kan hulle sê, my ouma was eendag hier, my ouma het gehelp die gebou bou.
So this building is one of the buildings that is going to help us as a community to grow and develop and get more than we've been expected, because council cannot give us whatever that we want, but with the help of VUYA Foundation and with the help of other communities outside the country, we think that we are going to be successful.
I've been waiting and waiting, but now I can see the school is almost finished now, so that our children could come.
Over the past 18 months, the VUYA Foundation was able to secure municipal grounds on a lease basis with an architectural team working together with the Swartland municipality. They were able to partner with the Rotary clubs of Newlands and Pinelands, as well as private institutions such as HENKEL South Africa, who have contributed substantially to this project.
I'm very excited about this building for a New West Crèche, and for my little one to come here to attend here. I can't wait to see him playing around here between his little ones. And as soon as this crèche is going to open, he will be here. He will be the first one to come and attend this crèche, New West Crèche. I'm so excited. I can't wait.
When I was a little girl, I went to a kindergarten, a crèche, on a farm in Simondium. And there was a nun that worked with us there. And I was small. And she used to tell me, Misha, just dream. And I used to think, what is dream? So my message to the parents are to tell their children to dream. We can do so much, they can do the rest. And let them play. Let them play school, housey, but let them dream. There's a world out there that they've never seen. Early childhood development is serious business. It's not child's play.